Hello and welcome to another episode of Coconut Chats. For all those people at the beginning who have been listening to us, many thanks. Your feedback and your comments are really appreciated, and please keep them coming. For those of you who are listening to us for the first time, welcome on board, and we hope this conversation can spark your interest and excitement because today we're going to be talking about something very exciting and with someone very young and exciting. So on the table today, I have with my friend and my co-host Harita.
Hi everyone.
And today we have a very young, spirit-hearted, young individual with us, Aryansh Arora. He is a young achiever and he's going to talk about his journey. But before I take you on through it, I would like to bring Aryan to the stage. Aryan, welcome. And thank you for coming here and joining us.
Thank you so much for having me here.
आर्यन आप अपने बारे में प्लीज हमारे लिसनर्स और ऑडियंस को कुछ बताइए.
Yeah, sure. I am Aryan Sharora from Basti, Uttar Pradesh, and it's like my journey. I am a writer by profession. I'll not say writer. I am good in writing, but I'll not say writer because I am writing songs as well. So I am in the term of lyricist as well. Apart from that, I have 2 solo books right now and more than 180 compilations, and I have got 12 records in the field of literature. Very recently, I was recognized as one of the teenagers who got most number of records. First teenager who got 12 records in the field of literature, and that was also a record in one of its own. I got records like Official World Record, which was from Barcelona, all the way from Barcelona, and I was one of the 10 people out of in the whole India who got that record. So yeah, that's all about me. I'm 18 years old, and right now I am a first year student in Delhi University.
That's amazing. मतलब 18 साल की उम्र में आर्यन आपने इतना कुछ अचीव किया है. हम लोग तो शायद 18 में we were just trying to figure out our lives की what to do with the life that's lying ahead of us. But thank you and congratulations on your amazing journey. तो इस पे आ जाते हैं हमारे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए. आर्यन, आप अपनी जो ये जर्नी है आपकी वंडरफुल, इसके बारे में प्लीज हमें कुछ बताइए.
The journey was quite unexpected for me. It's just like I was much into singing more than writing. I was much into singing, and my lyrics. I am preferring lyrics from class one itself. Like I am very good in understanding the things from class one. My mom says this. I don't remember even that it's true or false. I don't know. But from class seven, the incident happened. Like class seventh, I started coaching sessions for music for myself, and suddenly there's a time come. You all know there's a time come in all people where puberty hits and your voice gets a sort of changed for some weeks or some months. Uh, a natural disaster happened. That particular time tenure was of 9 months. For me, it was of 9 months, and my mom dad thought he is doing a lot of practice. He are a lot passionate, and his voice is not that much mature enough for a valuable lesson. So they just told me to leave that coaching classes and all stuff. I was very disheartened for the because of that, because I was really looking forward my future inside that. So but I by the grace of God, I was good in lyrics. So that started for me to means I started writing. मैंने लिखना start किया, एंड मैं खोज रहा था कि मैं कैसे लिखना स्टार्ट करूं. सो आई जस्ट गॉट अ डायलॉग फ्रॉम अ फिल्म कि तुमने तो प्यार से दोस्ती की थी, मैंने दोस्त से ही प्यार कर लिया. So it was my first writer. I collaborated with these 2 lines, and yeah, things went on good and good. In between that, things came like 10th boards, 12th boards, where I left my writing for some time, and after that, things went nice. On 12th, I got a invitation for being co-author, then from co-author to author, then from author to record holder, then from author to multiple. It was really unexpected. I didn't plan anything like that. It was just like I was going and going, not worrying ki like what Mahatma Gandhi said, karam karo, phal ki chinta mat karo. So I just went like that. And yeah, that's it. My journey was nice, unexpected with a little hurdle, not that much.
Hurdles तो आते रहते हैं. I think we've all faced that somewhere or the other. That's amazing, Aresh. मतलब सुन के तो मुझे इतनी इंस्पिरेशन हो रही है, and that's a big lesson to all out there because 18 साल पे हम सबको लगता है यार हमें ना या तो इंजीनियरिंग करनी है या डॉक्टर करना है वरना तो लाइफ खत्म है. So I think you are a big step forward in that direction जहाँ आप सबको बोल सके कि नहीं आपकी अपनी पैशन अगर आप फॉलो करें तो you have a bright life. That's amazing, Aresh. Harita, moving on to you. Any questions for our guest?
Yeah, I liked how You said first you were into singing, but then when your voice changed, you didn't just give up. You thought, my voice has changed, so it's not that good for singing now, but what can I do that's still in the field? I like how you just pivoted within the same industry rather than just giving up and then, like Chris said, just thinking, okay, now I just need to focus on my studies, so I give up on all these hobbies and passions, especially being an Indian person growing up in India. Most men are forced to do, medical, engineering, this, that. You leave all your hobbies behind because that's not what people consider serious. So it's good to see that you followed that through and that you can be really successful in it as well.
That's amazing. तो आर्यन आपने आधा तो चलो मेरे सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आधा आपने आंसर कर ही दिया बिकॉज माय सेकंड क्वेश्चन वाज कि आपकी जो जर्नी थी इसमें आपने कोई ऑब्स्टिकल फेस किया या नहीं. तो एक तो आपने बोला कि आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो गई थी लेकिन उसके अलावा भी हमें बताएं कि फैमिली में या फ्रेंड्स में कोई ऑब्स्टिकल आपने फेस किया था.
Yeah, for sure. मैं class 9 से from class 9 till class 11th I was the only person who was knowing that मैं लिख सकता हूँ. I am not told. I mean, just like when you are into good hobby, you are into good in something, you show to your parents, you show to your colleagues, to your friends. I was quiet. I was so quiet. मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया for 2 years. For 2 years कि मैं लिखता हूँ, मैं कुछ करता हूँ. I just kept it to myself. I write, I improved, I improvised, and I worked harder for that. So that was a thing जो मुझे सबसे छुपा के रखनी थी. And in 10th, one incident happened. My mom took my Facebook account from me because पढ़ाई करो, you have to study. So, but I was like, I want to know me. At that time, I started writing for people. Means people will send me words and I'll write. So that was the thing. मैंने फिर एक फेक आईडी बनाई. This is the first time I'm confessing this.
Okay.
In anywhere मैंने एक फेक आईडी बनाई and उस पे अपना पेज बनाया अल्फाज दिल के. Today also it has 160 only followers, but that was like the biggest obstacle because मेरे को एक कीपैड वाले फोन से मैं उससे लाइंस हर रात को टाइप करके सोता था. So yeah, that was the obstacle. Like लोगों को एडजस्ट करने में टाइम लगा कि अब ये यही करेगा. Now I am into this. It took time for, but when once people got to know me, like my father was till 10th, my father was concerned इसका पढ़ाई में क्या होगा, and today he is like तू ये कर, यही होगा तो तू ये करियो, नहीं तो तू ये करियो, do this or do that, but stick here because you are excellent in this. So yeah, it's just like to gather support. It's not easy for, like people say these days to कि हम लोग को support नहीं मिलता, no one supports us. मेरा उस पे कहना है कि support नहीं मिलेगा. It just don't like you go and hit 4 6s and you come to home and say I want to be a cricketer.
Yeah.
You have to prove something without telling anyone, and then when people will see you, they will encourage you by themselves. So yeah, obstacle was that only like I have to hide myself for a very long time, leaving all the appreciations behind for 2 to 3 years. So that was the deal. And other than that, I miss just one line I'll say for that. When you are doing something that you love, there are no obstacles. There are only challenges. If some obstacle hit me, it's like challenge accepted. So that's the deal.
Wow. अच्छा एक सवाल मुझे आपसे पूछना है. आपने कहा आपके उस पेज पे तब you had only 116 followers, right? आज आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं? बताएं हमें.
मेरी पर्सनल अकाउंट पे 1600 फॉलोअर्स हैं एंड मेरे जो पेज है वही पेज मैं जब इंस्टाग्राम पे कंटिन्यू किया फ्रॉम 5th अप्रैल 2019 हाँ 19 या 5th अप्रैल 2019 आज बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड उस पे 17,500 फॉलोअर्स हैं.
Wow. मतलब 116 से 17,000 followers. Amazing. That's like some real inspiration, right? Harita, any questions on that part?
Yeah, I like how you said, when you were young, you used to do it behind everyone's back because you didn't want people finding out you were doing this. And I think, a lot of children are like that when they don't know how their parents are going to react to something that's so different. And so you want to make sure you're good at it before you show other people your talent. And I think, because we don't want people making fun of us if we end up not being very good, or we're scared of what our parents are going to say, especially because, music and arts is very left center, like, left wing compared to most typical Indian professions. So I think that was like something I could relate to, like I think every person can relate to that when you're young, you hide certain things from your parents because you don't want them finding out until yes, I can prove them in this. Yeah.
That's
That's
17,000 followers are हैं. It's like I'm just kind of imagining कि
amazing.
कितने लोग follow करते हैं आपको. एक और सवाल है आरुष, ये सोसाइटी मतलब पेरेंट्स तो ऑब्वियसली एक जगह है, लेकिन इंडियन सोसाइटी में हम सोसाइटी का बहुत बॉदर करते हैं. आपने सुना होगा कि भाई लोग क्या कहेंगे. तो आपने कभी ये सुना है कि भाई तुम ये कर रहे हो तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, वो कहेंगे हमारा बेटा इंजीनियर नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ कभी फेस किया था आपने?
That was the deal with me. Means just like जब मेरे फ्रेंड्स बुक्स पढ़ रहे थे, मैं बुक्स लिख रहा था, तो मेरे को कुछ इतना पोक नहीं किया गया. एंड मोर ओवर दैट मेरे फादर का सपोर्ट था. मेरे फादर का हमेशा से, मतलब डैड कन्फेस्ड, उन्होंने मुझे कन्फेस किया. मैं 12th के जब एंड पे था, जब मेरी बुक्स राइज पे जा रही थी, देन ही टोल्ड मी, मैं चाहता नहीं था, मतलब पढ़ाई वढ़ाई में तो सब करते हैं, मैं चाहता था तो कुछ अलग करे, कुछ डिफरेंट करे, कुछ हटके करे, और तू कर रहा है तो मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट है. एंड फॉर मी, my society, my world is my parents. Means they are happy. I don't give anything about anyone कि और सामने वाले को क्या लग रहा है. But yeah, जो सुनने को मिलता है, so yes, कुछ लोग पूछते हैं, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि आज बुक्स कौन पढ़ता है, सब किंडल पे पढ़ते हैं, ऐसे पढ़ते हैं, वैसे पढ़ते हैं. It's fine. It's like I'm stepping stones in my life. So I don't means मेरे को ज्यादा उससे इशू नहीं होता सोसाइटी से, मतलब कि या ऐसा कुछ भी मेरे साथ ऐसा इशू नहीं है कि मीन्स सोसाइटी की बातें मेरे को ज्यादा परेशान करे, क्योंकि इट्स जस्ट लाइक सोसाइटी की बातें आपको तभी परेशान करेंगी जब योर पेरेंट्स आर नॉट सपोर्टिंग. माय पेरेंट्स आर सपोर्टिंग मी, सो it was not that much of a thing. Means when someone said in front of my parents were the one to revert back that
Wow.
no, ये अच्छा कर रहा है, he is doing records, he's doing awards and stuff. So yeah, I lived till now. There was no sort of things that make me disheartened or disappoint me other than that 7th class incident.
नाइस अमेजिंग. चले आते हैं आपकी फ्यूचर की तरफ. आर्यन, अभी तो यू ऑलमोस्ट 18 19 व्हाटएवर यू आर, आपकी सामने पूरी जिंदगी पड़ी है, बहुत लंबी जिंदगी पड़ी है. तो आप अपने आप को अगले 10 साल में कहाँ देखना चाहते हैं? क्या आपके अरमान है 10 साल?
I want to see after 10 years. I will tell you. अब मैं थोड़ा सा literature से, means I am connected to literature, but I am no more connected to books. Like very soon I am going for my albums and stuff because I decided कि मैं singing नहीं कर सकता, but rap में कर सकता था. अगर आप Instagram feed check करोगे, if you check my Instagram feed, you will find 2 to 3 raps as well there, and I'll go for that. So in 10 years I wish to find myself in good names of rappers, not the commercial ones जो like just the do dance. I want to, with my voice and with my lyrics, I want to make an impression in front of people. Means if you see my WhatsApp DP, like it's a very good quote by a Pakistani rapper, Chain K. I really adore him a lot. There's a line, लिखारी दिखा लोगों को दुनिया फानी. Writers show the world that the world they're imagining is an illusion. So that's my motive. I want to, means by my pen, by my lyrics, I want to create an impact on people. So in the 10 years, the answer will be I want to see myself as a good rapper in this industry. Not the one who go for films, but definitely the ones who people love and who people respect and who people inspire. People will be like, oh my god, ये अच्छा लिखा है, I'll get inspired from this stuff.
तो मतलब आई हैव टू आस्क यू दिस कि रैपर के नाम से फिर आप एमिनेम को कहाँ रखते हैं ऑन द लेवल ऑफ 1 to 10?
It's just like I'll tell you this. इसका बहुत easy answer है that जो फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स होते हैं, कैप्टन भी टॉप पे रहता है और बाकी सब नीचे रहते हैं, बट कोच का नाम उस लिस्ट में नहीं होता. So that's the thing. Eminem is the coach. He's far above. He's like he doesn't want to be in the list. Means उनको लिस्ट पे रखना भी एक अलग तरीके से वो होगा. So that's the reason. Eminem is far above.
और अगर अब मैं आपसे साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में कोई ऐसे रैपर का नाम पूछूं जो आपको इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं, इंडिया हो या पाकिस्तान से भी आजकल बहुत अपकमिंग आते हैं, तो कौन वो होंगे जो आपको बहुत इंस्पायर करते हैं?
Yeah, so that will be 3 rappers. Like there are 3 rappers I'm damn inspired. Like I'm inspired like anything. मैं उनके लिए birthday post करता हूँ. They also replied me sometimes, and I love them like anything. They are Karma the Lekhak. His real name is Vivek Arora. He's from Dehradun. Then it's Arpan Kumar, King Rocco.
Okay.
King Rocco. He is from Delhi. He was a participant in MTV Hustle finalist, and I love him like anything. He's the best for me. And the third is Chenki, the person I want to be like, the person who has the dare to speak the truth.
Nice.
Who dare to speak the truth, Chenki. So these 3 are the ones. Means the reason why I like them is because of their lyrics. They are so strong in their lyrics and so polite on their faces. It cracks the people out.
Have you met
It's a
any
deadly
of these three
combination.
people?
Yeah.
Have you met any of these three people? No.
I really wish.
Jaldi,
It's
soon.
One day.
it's just like I always like I have messaged to all three of them. Karma has seen saw the message as well. That one day I'll definitely meet you, and I promise you it will not be like a fan.
Ah,
Nice.
nice. All right. Harita, any questions for Aryansh?
Yeah, I like your 10-year plan. You know, I remember when I was 18, which was a while ago, and back then my plan was just, you know, go to university, get a good job, just the normal stuff, you know. But you're very ambitious. Like you know who you want to be like, you know what you want to do, and I think as an 18-year-old, that's really good. A lot of 18-year-olds just say, oh, we'll go to university and then I'll decide after that what type of job I get or what I do next. So yeah, I think you will go really far places because you've got a very high aim.
आई थिंक, और मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा आपको सुन के ये लग रहा है आरंश, बिकॉज हम मेरे बैच में या बहुत लोगों का होता है 4 साल इंजीनियरिंग में रगड़ के देन दे रियलाइज कि यार आई वेस्टेड माय टाइम, अब नाउ आई नीड टू लुक फॉर वेयर टू पुट माय प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स इनटू. लेकिन वो 4 साल चले गए. लेकिन आपकी जो ये यंग एम्बिशंस हैं, इतनी जल्दी आपको पता चल गया ना कि व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, दैट इज ग्रेट. और सुनने में इतना इंस्पायरिंग लग रहा है. मैं आपको अभी बोल के बता नहीं सकती, बट यू आर साउंडिंग एज. हाँ बोल.
I'll say for this कि most of the times मतलब जो मैंने खुद में चीज देखी है, दो चीजें मैंने देखी हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग कि we always go forward to speak to the world कि hey world, hey society, मुझे ये बनना है. That's not the deal with me. That's not the deal. मतलब Harita Di said one thing that most of the people can relate that when they don't speak up to their talents, to their profession, to their parents. My reason was quite different. My reason was not that I have to improve and I have to improvise myself. My reason was I don't want to be the person till I don't get the title, that position. Writer means it's just like there are many writers with many followers and many things. Everyone likes to call me, मेरे को writer बुलाओ, call me a writer. I was like मैं तब तक writer नहीं बनूंगा जब तक मेरी सोलो बुक नहीं होगी, जब तक मेरा एक पेज नहीं होगा, जब तक मेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑडियंस नहीं होगी. I would like to tell you just a small thing. The way I was hell dedicated in class 12. मेरे प्री बोर्ड स्टार्ट हुए थे 7 जनवरी. दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग. लाइक यू विल बी रियली शॉक्ड व्हेन यू इवन आई एम शॉक्ड टुडे टू द वेरी कोर. जब मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैंने किया था 7 जनवरी को मेरे प्री बोर्ड स्टार्ट हुए थे. 7 जनवरी 2020 एंड 24 जनवरी को खत्म हुए थे. मेरी फर्स्ट सोलो बुक मैंने 8 जनवरी को स्टार्ट की थी एंड 23 जन को खत्म हुई. It was a book of 350 pages and the most amazing part was that पूरी बुक इसी फोन पे लिखी थी, इस फोन से आप लोग से बात कर रहा हूँ.
And you wrote that in the time of your exams?
I don't, मुझे तो फर्क ही नहीं था. एग्जाम व्हाट, आई डोंट गिव अ शिट अबाउट एग्जाम. मुझे काम करना है. मेरे को नहीं, मैं सो नहीं पा रहा था. लाइक 7 जन से मैं 4 डेज सोया नहीं था. मैं बुक प्लान कर रहा था. मैं टॉपिक्स लिखा कि लिखना क्या होगा. लाइक आउट स्ट्रक्चर बनाया था. सेकंड सोलो बुक बोर्ड्स में 27 फेब को स्टार्ट हुआ था, 20 मार्च को खत्म हुआ था. 1 मार्च को स्टार्ट की थी, 17 मार्च को खत्म हुई.
So it looks like your inspiration for writing books is when you have exams.
Thank you.
सोच के बाद
That's the deal. मेरा जो हमेशा कहना रहेगा यही कि do your work and let the world talk about you. Don't talk to world about what you want to be. They don't care. They don't care until you are doing something very great. Means most of people were not knowing me जब तक मेरे 12 records नहीं हुए. So that's मेरे रिश्तेदारों में ही मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. मेरे रिश्तेदारों में बहुत लोग मेरे को नहीं जानते थे. But now everyone knows me. So it's like ये मेरे को कहना है कि work hard, not कि people देखें. आप जब satisfy हो जाओगे ना तो people खुश भी हो जाएंगे. Not satisfied, people will be happy. So that's the thing.
I agree, totally agree. Last question आर्यन, जाने से पहले आज हम थोड़ा आपका रैप भी सुनेंगे 2-3 लाइन, लेकिन उससे पहले आखिरी सवाल. आप आजकल की जनरेशन के जो पेरेंट्स हैं, बच्चों को नहीं लेकिन उनके जो पेरेंट्स हैं, उनको अगर आप कोई वन लाइनर मैसेज देना चाहते हो तो वो क्या होगा फॉर द पेरेंट्स?
Let them do mistakes. Let them do mistakes. Yes, that's the line. Wow, मैंने तुरंत सोची है. Let them do mistakes. It's just like ये इंडियन पेरेंट्स में बहुत है, लाइक ये मैं इसलिए मैं ये वेस्टर्न कल्चर को इस चीज में बहुत अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ कि दे आर नॉट ऑलवेज ऑन द चिल्ड्रन कि तुम ये करो वो करो. इट्स जस्ट लाइक 1 मिनट में आपको एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी सुनाऊंगा कि एक फादर, उनके भाई का बेटा एंड 3 बच्चे गए थे एक शॉप में. ये मेरी लिखी हुई स्टोरी. तो भाई का जो बेटा था, ही वाज अ सीए, एंड जो पापा थे वो तीनों बच्चों, जो तीनों लड़के थे, तीनों को दुत्कार रहे थे. ही वाज सेइंग कि देखो इसके जैसा बनो, कितना कर रहा है, कितना कर रहा है. सो द सीए सेड कि इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट बॉसा जी, वो कर सकते हैं, वो अच्छा कर सकते हैं. तो और आपको हर बार उनको गाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो उन्होंने कहा, ही सेड ऐसा कैसे, हम लोग की गाइडेंस के बिना ये लोग कैसे ऊपर निकल जाएंगे. मैंने कहा मैं समझाता हूँ. ही जस्ट ऑर्डर्ड 3 प्लेट ऑफ चाउमीन्स and he tipped 100 rupees to the waiter and he said 3 chili sauce and 3 tomato sauce, liquor, chili ketchup and tomato ketchup. One boy was of 2nd class, one was of 6th class and one was of 12th class. He said to the 2nd class boy, तुम इसमें कौन सी सॉस डालोगे, which ketchup will you use on this चाउमीन. He said red. Why? Because मम्मी ने कहा था कि रेड ketchup से खाते हैं. And then he told his मौसारी कि आप उसको कहो कि चिली सॉस यूज करे, 6th क्लास वाले को कि चिली सॉस यूज करे. उसने कहा क्यों करूं मैं, मुझे नहीं करनी, मुझे केचप से खाना है. नहीं सुनी उसने, ऑब्वियस ही बात है. एंड ही आस्क्ड 12th क्लास स्टूडेंट कि अब तुम किससे खाओ, टोमेटो केचप से. व्हाई? चिली सॉस से मेरे को मिर्ची लगेगी. सो दैट्स द डील. अंटिल द पर्सन नोज द रॉन्ग साइड, जब तक वो जानता नहीं कि उसका गलत साइड क्या है उस चीज का, तब तक वो सही चीज कैसे पहचाने.
Exactly.
इंडियंस में ये बहुत चीज है कि वो लोग नहीं, हम लोग को गलत साइड देखने ही नहीं देते हैं. Today people like India, I'm not say for everyone, people like smoking, people like things like that, and they prevent, मतलब पेरेंट्स प्रिवेंट करते हैं. डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए, लेकिन आपको उनको ये नहीं बताना है कि क्यों नहीं पी रहे हो, क्योंकि मैं कह रहा हूँ इसलिए नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ तो इसलिए तुम सिगरेट नहीं पी. You have to tell them people. Today in 21st century, you have to tell the people you have to do this because of a reason. You just can't blame. मैं कह रहा हूँ तो नहीं करना. So let them do their mistakes. एक मिस्टेक होगी, कुछ नुकसान होगा, शायद बहुत नुकसान होगा, पर उसके बाद जिंदगी समझ.
आप जा रहे हैं एकदम दिल हल्का हो गया. Harita, quickly from you before we get to Aryansh to get his rapping. One question
before we get to him rapping. Yeah, this whole time you've been talking, it's like I forget that you're only 18 because you talk like you're someone in your 30s or 40s even, you know. And I think just like you said, that parents need to let their children make mistakes, and especially in our Indian community, you know, parents always, they want the best life of you. Most Indian parents have the best intentions for their children, but then that comes at the expense of never letting their children make any mistakes for themselves, because the parents have decided that I want you to have, you know, job A, B or C and do this in university, marry this type of person, and they already got ideas for everything they want you to do, that you never know what it's like to make a mistake and how to learn from a mistake yourself, because your parents are always pulling you along in the direction they want you to go. So yeah, the only way you actually learn about anything in life really is by making mistakes and knowing how to not make that mistake again in the future, or you know, like that's how you learn your true passions and your true inspiration. Yeah.
By the way, Aryansh, जब हरिता दी ने कहा ना you sound like 30s or 40s, वो compliment था, तो उसको आप compliment की तरफ लें.
Yes, the wisdom of someone in their 30s and 40s. That's what I mean.
Alright, खत्म करने से पहले Aryansh, quickly आपसे 2-3 लाइन हम rapping की सुनना चाहते हैं, then we'll wrap it up.
I'll prefer right now मैं रैप से अच्छा आपको एक पोएम सुना सकता.
बिल्कुल.
A poetry that will blow your mind. That will blow your mind like anything. I'm sure. That poem मैं बता दूँ. It's my first world record was for that poem only. उसी कुछ लाइन सुनाऊँ. The title is कल. The poem. मैं कल से आया कल तक जाऊँगा. मैं कल से आया कल तक जाऊँगा. कल के बाद मैं कल बन जाऊँगा. कल के लिए मैं कल बना था. उस कल तक पहुंचने के लिए मैं कल चला था. पर वो कल नहीं आया जिसका इंतजार मुझे कल था, और आने वाले कल के लिए मैंने बर्बाद कर दिया वो आज जो मेरा कल था. अब कल से मिलने के लिए मुझे कल जाना होगा, मेरा कल खराब था, मुझे अपना आने वाला कल बनाना। जिस कल से मुझे नफरत थी, उस कल से मैं सीख गया, कल की बात को याद रखकर मैं आने वाले कल से जीत गया। And I don't know that there's 36 lines की poem है. The last 4 lines, the most inspirational lines, like that line went famous like anything on most of the Instagram pages. आज की फिक्र मुझे कल थी, पर कल की फिक्र मुझे आज नहीं होगी। आज की फिक्र मुझे कल थी, पर कल की फिक्र मुझे आज नहीं होगी। अगर कल जम के करूंगा मेहनत, तो कल जिंदगी किसी चीज में मोहताज नहीं होगी।
Wow. Amazing.
Thank you so much.
Amazing.
Thank you so much.
कैसे करते हैं आप इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में इतने ज्यादा टैलेंटेड कैसे हैं आप? मुझे ये बताएं। क्या सीक्रेट है?
इसका कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है। इट्स नॉट लाइक आई डोंट काउंट माई सेल्फ एज टैलेंटेड, इट्स जस्ट लाइक आई काउंट माई सेल्फ एज अदर। मीन्स आप राइटिंग में जानते हो, ज्यादा लोग कहते हैं कि आई राइट व्हाट आई फील। आई नेवर राइट व्हाट आई फील। दैट्स माई कोट टू द यंग ऑथर्स, यंग कमिंग राइटर्स, नेवर राइट व्हाट यू फील, बिकॉज feelings are temporary, they will fade away one day, and it will be just like disrespecting your pen, your writing feel. I write what's right, because right is eternal. What is right, it's eternal. You will always get content, you will never get writer's block. So it's just like me, I never write what I feel, I write what's right, because right is eternal, and मेरे को हर समय कभी भी कहीं भी कुछ भी लिख सकता हूँ। Because I count myself as that, कि मैं सो रहा हूँ, मुझे उठाओ, आपको ये लिखो, मैं लिख के तुरंत सो भी जाऊँ।
Amazing, Aryansh, amazing. This was such a lovely conversation. आपके साथ बात करके ना ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक amazing fresh feeling आ रही है, तो उसके लिए कोकोनट चैट्स की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much.
Yes, wishing you all the very best कि आपके सामने जो जितनी लंबी जिंदगी वो और लंबी हो, प्रोडक्टिव हो, आप इससे भी ज्यादा ऊंचाइयों को छुएं। And for all our listeners out there, I really hope you liked what you heard today, because this is the inspiration we need right now in our young and the future generations to come. If you have got any comments or thoughts, please write to us at coconutchats@gmail.com. You can also like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Coconut Chats, on YouTube as well. On this point, Aryansh, आप क्या अपना Instagram handle share करना चाहेंगे हमारे listeners के साथ?
Definitely. My Instagram handle is @AryanSharod. You can follow me there. You can get to know my achievements, and from there only you will get my other 2 Instagram IDs, my writing page and my professional page, where I tell the journey about my different records, awards, and co-authors. From co-author to a record, my whole journey is on that Instagram. So you can follow me to all those Instagram IDs from that as well. Moreover, you can subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Link is in the bio.
Thank you, Arish. For all listeners, I hope you liked us, and we'll be back again with another episode. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep loving people around you. With that, thank you and goodbye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.